Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Guys, today we have for sale a Italian design 9 bedrooms, 14 bathroom villa in the upscale community of Ironshore. Some features include 4 kitchens with granite countertops, swimming pool, solar powered light and water system. The fruitfulness of its outdoor space is phenomenal with over 15 fruit trees. This villa is also 10 minutes to the airport, 2 minutes to major shoppings, 5 minutes to beaches and resorts with land area of a little over 36,000 square feet. This is the investment opportunity you have been waiting for. Guys, it's time to see this villa. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1.8 million or Jamaican $277 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area for full details. If you like this video, hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.